and I have been together for well over a year now. Things have been going great. Honestly, things have been going really good. But, you know, there's always room to improve in a relationship. Have you ever been asked to describe your perfect day?
No.
You know, it's the kind of thing you may stumble upon in a travel magazine, like in 25 words or less. But in all honesty, I'd be really curious to know.
Well, for starters, wouldn't be here. So let's go somewhere else.
I've got sunshine in my pocket and I'm putting on a rocket. Now it's flying all the way to you. I've got sunshine in my pocket and I'm putting on a rocket. Now it's flying all the way to you. I've got sunshine in my pocket and I'm putting on a rocket. Now it's flying all the way to you. I've got sunshine in my pocket and I'm putting on a rocket. Now it's flying all the way to you. We go.
Obviously, big fan of the croissants. But like I said, chlorine's just not my element. So bring on the ocean vibes. Wait up. This is getting totally ridiculous. I'm wearing a dress in the middle of the ocean on a swing.
No, this is just all imagination. Honestly, anything goes.
Anything?
Well, I'm really enjoying your perfect day, but I think my perfect day is just a little bit more adventurous. How about we pick the pace up a little bit?
Hey, wait up. I totally understand that you and I have different perspectives of the perfect day, but this is way too fast-paced for me. So let's try and do something we both enjoy, yeah?
We're invincible.
We have a problem. Those travel magazines only accept entries that are about 25 words or less, and right now, our perfect day is just never gonna fit.
Come on, have you seen my editing skills?
You know what you've never asked me?
What?
You've never asked me about my perfect day. So, I got you some inspiration. I'll leave you with that.
Sunshine in my pocket.